Hi, my name is Paula Meyer and I've been a physician assistant for 34 years. 16-year-old twin girls who, going to school, have had lice multiple times. Being a PA, about the only thing I knew about lice was that all of those over-the-counter treatments, they don't work anymore. Last thing I want to do is to put ineffective chemicals on my kids' heads. I even went out and got the comb that everybody was talking about, but unfortunately my girls hated it because it ripped out hair and it hurt. When my girls were really young, I read the internet and I tried the olive oil treatment. It didn't work and it was so messy. I was so happy to get my Coco Loco lice treatment spray and this amazing NitNabber comb. It's super easy for you. It comes in a kit. Everything you need is here. You have your Coco Loco spray, the amazing comb, trust me. You even get a little travel prevention spray. They even send you a link to this amazing video ebook. The book has a ton of videos telling you exactly what to do. There's no scary guesswork. I learned the secret to Coco Loco is that it's enzyme-based, and that enzyme, it kills those hatch lice fast. Because it's enzyme-based, it's natural. I'm not spraying nasty chemicals from the drugstore on my kids' heads. I actually can feel good about what I'm putting on their heads. Talk about this NitNabber comb. It looks like the one I used before. It's not. This thing glides through my daughter's hair, their waist length hair. And this thing grabs everything. Any little lice, any tiny eggs come right out with no pain. And the Coco Loco, you can use it as a prevention spray as well as a fabric spray for like pillows, bedding, stuffed animals, all that stuff. With a mom and a PA, this is the stuff. This is the best thing on the market to kill lice. So I know when your kiddo has lice, you want it over now, today. Anything you can get your hands on today, drugstore, etc., it's not gonna work. It's gonna be ineffective. Even with a 2-day wait, this is the product you need, and this is the product that will work. My kids go to school. We've used this multiple times, and I love it. And I love it, you're gonna love it.